Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you have to send a quick text message but do not have cell phone service? Here I will show you how to send a text message from your email, in 3 easy steps. The first part of this process is to find out which cell phone service provider the person you want to text has. Second, is the hardest part of this process. You have to find the domain name of the cell phone provider that the person has. In the description I will leave a list of cell phone providers and the email domains that they use. In my case, I have T-Mobile. So, the domain name of my email will be at tmomail.net, like you see on the screen right now. Step 3. Now all you have to do is go to your email, log in, and in the Send To option you are going to type in the number 1, followed by that person's phone number, the @ symbol, and the domain name of their cell phone provider. So, if your area code is 515, you are going to enter 1515 followed by the rest of the person's number. Make sure you write the person's full number without any spaces or symbols. The final product should look something like this. Once done, just type in your message. You can leave the subject line blank, if you want to. Then hit the send button. When the person gets your text message, he'll be able to reply to it just as normal. And you'll get his reply in the form of an email. And if you want, you can also send each other pictures. P.S. Keep it G-rated. Wink, wink.